Hello and welcome back to Adobe Animate. So today we're going to look at a few different things. I want to look at the differences between a linkage name and an instance name, which is something that always confused me in the past. But the funny thing, luckily with AI, I actually can find and figure out this stuff out a lot more easily. But the one that really confused me, what's the difference between a movie clip and a graphic, right? Because really you can animate graphics, so isn't that just a movie clip? And the answer is no, basically. Let's try this, right? We'll just create an instance graphic this time. So we'll do graphic. All right. And then we're going to just animate the graphic, yeah? Um, all right. So basically, and you'll be able to tell immediately what the answer is, by the way, but, all right. So what's going to happen when I play this? Nothing, right? What if I do this? Plays, right? What that basically tells you is that it is to do with they run parallel, the timelines, which is actually pretty cool, right? So the timeline of this graphic will run parallel. Because as you may know, right, if you let's just go back to the beginning again. Because as you may know, right, if we had gone instead of done the movie clip, right, um, this is going to play, right? I didn't need to expand it really, but you see what I mean. Actually, is there a way to? I don't think you can actually get it to play without expanding it. Now I think about it. So basically, this is the interesting thing, right? Um, the obviously, yeah. So the movie clip obviously has got its own independent timeline. Is what I was trying to say, basically. And one of the things that I really want to do, and I've always wanted to do, is just have one movie clip play on frame one, then one on two or whatever, right? And then you can just play them all like that. So just to make it easy, we'll just stick with this a movie clip, right? So now I want to think about what's the difference between an instance name and an identifier. Let's see what the actual exactly what it says. So basically, the linkage is the generic definition of a symbol in the library, and the instance name is basically an object placed on the stage, right? So it's a definition as opposed to that, right? Um, and that basically you can create the instances from it. Um, so it feels like that is probably the thing you'd probably want to do more, right? So we export. We put the class name in here, moving circle. So basically, it doesn't matter this is called symbol one. We don't actually refer to it at all, I believe, right? There's, yeah, will that work? Let's see. You're not supposed to do it on this layer, but it doesn't matter. So this is what it has, right? I guess, right? I could do it a little bit smaller. Yeah, I think I prefer having it coming out like that. But anyway, so it's not completely irrelevant, but what was it called? Moving circles, right? All right, so new clip. I accidentally spelled it wrong. It's just that, right? Will that work then? So I've deleted it from the stage. Yeah, okay, it's worked. Wrong place, but I think that's where. Like, luckily, I do know about some other things like this. If I change the, can I change it? Don't change registration point here, do you?